This is Ash.
I'm Taylor.
We are Adam.
Yeah.
My lovely guitar here. Gibson Studio. Custom mahogany.
Tasty.
WCR pickups.
Ooh.
The 12th fret popped out. Just I don't know when. It just came out.
We used the tools that we had. Probably not the best tools, but it did the job. We got it done. The biggest thing when you're, because it's a glue job, obviously you're doing an inlay. So biggest thing is cleanliness. Make it clean, and clean it again.
Notice the inlays have a yellow tint to them, within them. You know, it's this mother of pearl. Gibson, you know, uses an acrylic, and then they all have this bit of yellow swirl to them, and when there was all this yellow glue underneath.
Therefore giving it a yellow hue, and if you look at the inlays now, the 12th fret we did is more translucent, and in my opinion, I think it looks better than having the yellow opaque look behind it. This is a good warning if you do want to make sure you're using the right glue that dries the right colors, because I guess, what do they use, orange, yellows, and reds, or do they just put dye in the glue?
Sure, but I believe they put a dye in the glue. I think they color the glue. I don't know if it's a dye necessarily or a pigment, but I'm pretty sure that they actually color the glue.
So warning, fair warning.